Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hard reset or factory reset your Redmi 14C device. So for this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of and then go to about phone. Okay, after that guys, just scroll and then click to factory reset. So after that guys, on this section we have erase all data. So just tap to erase all data and your all the data will be start erasing and your phone will be restart or reset. So that's how we can reset your factory data. Guys, we have one more method that if your phone is turned off and your phone is locked, so all you guys have to do just press power button and volume up button and then turn it off. So after that guys, all we need these keys. Just press power button and volume up button at the same time for the long time. So when the logo comes, just leave this button and then again press these buttons. So as you guys see, after releasing the power button, just make sure to press the volume up button for the time so that this type of interface comes. Now as you guys know that the touch is not working right now, so all we guys have to do use these key for the wiping the data. So just press volume down key to come to wipe data, and then all you guys have to do just select wipe data by using power button. Now again press volume down button, and all you guys have to do just press power button, then click confirm. So as you see, the all the data is now start wiping. So that's how we can factory reset or hard reset our Redmi 14C device. So guys, that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.